Hello music lover. Today I will show you how to easily remove and replace very old and damaged earpads cushion for Audio-Technica ATH M40x studio headphones. Here's the result. I think it's a clear improvement on the way it was before. This tutorial can also be used for Audio-Technica ATH M70, M50x, M50, MSR7, M40x, M40, M30x, M20 and M20x headphones. As you can see, the current earpads cushions have become velour type from leather type, which reduces the amount of bass and reduces the sound isolation. To complete the change of the damaged earpads, you need to buy new earpad cushion replacements. The link to them is in the video description. To remove the old earpads, you have to put your finger behind them and pull them off. The edge of the earpads is held inside the headphone housing groove. As these are very old, earpads have become hard and are much harder to remove. You can remove the foam filter from the old earpad. If it is not completely dead, it can be put into the new earpad. This will improving comfort even more. Then you have to remove the second earpad cushion with the same technique. If your headphones are not very old, this job will be much easier. Remove the foam filter from this earpad too. The next step is to put the foam filter inside the new earpad. To make the earpad easier to put on the headphones, stretch the edge of the earpad. The earpad put back is simple process. Put part of the cushion edge into the groove of the headphone housing. Hold the inserted edge, so it doesn't come out of the groove, and pull the remaining cushion edge inside the groove with your other hand, until you've put it all the way around. Then put the foam filter inside the second new earpad. Straighten the edge of the cushion and put the earpad on top of the headphones in the same way. This may take some time, if you are doing this for the first time, but a little patience and you will get the job done. Here's the result. I think it's a clear improvement on the way it was before. I hope this was useful. This is a good way to avoid buying new headphones, but just restore the old ones. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, so we can meet in other useful headphones repair videos. Have a nice evening.